Pray with me. Lord, thank you for the hardships. Thank you for the blessings. Thank you for the tears. And thank you for your patience in us. Do not allow our foolish pride, our love for you to get in the way and blind us to your great work. We do not ask for a lighter burden. We do not ask to be coddled. We ask for your presence to remain by our side while we walk in your light. Thank you for the joy that woke us up to evil. Thank you for the evil you have shown us that has opened our eyes to the love and compassion of this world. Nothing is as it seems. This garden of yours, this world, is the greatest schoolhouse. So remain by our side, Lord. Don't let our foolish pride in being your children blind us to your vision and your mission for us. Just stay by our side, Lord. We'll show you what we can do together. All glory be to God. Have a good day.